In today's video, I'll show you how to merge two Canva documents into one. Perfect for presentations, ebooks, or any multi-page project. Start by opening Canva and navigating to the first document that contains the pages you want to copy. Switch to grid view by clicking the grid icon in the top right corner. This gives you a clear view of all your pages and makes selecting multiple pages a breeze. Hold down the Shift key and click on the pages you want to include. Once selected, copy them using Ctrl+C on PC or Command+C on Mac. Don't worry if nothing seems to happen. Your pages are now ready to be transferred. Next, open the second Canva document where you want these pages to appear. Simply paste the pages with Ctrl+V on PC or Command+V on Mac. Your copied pages will now appear in the new project, and you can rearrange them however you like. And that's it. You've successfully merged two Canva documents into one seamless project. This method is quick, efficient, and keeps your multi-page designs organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.